Next, we'll hear from some professors. I'd first like to invite the esteemed Professor Dr. Subbarao to address the gathering on his journey and his experiences to share some insights.
Respected Chancellor and Vice Chancellor, colleagues, friends, parents, and students. At last, I would like to introduce my experience as a scientist at the Department of Atomic Energy, where I joined as a biologist among the engineers and physicists, and then understood the importance of interdisciplinary understanding of the subjects. That's where actually I had the opportunity of learning material science, physics, and chemistry, plenty of them. This is where actually I feel when Dr. Gopi said that the next generation of students should have this kind of multidisciplinary interactions. This is where actually I could able to come up in the system which is completely dominated by engineers and physicists. And then joining Sai University, being basically a biological science person, I was given the responsibility of starting the BSc in Biological Sciences course, and then also the challenge of establishing a biology teaching lab. And I proudly say that with the support of the management, and we have one of the best biology teaching labs among the institutions which are around Chennai. And we are also acquiring very good equipment so that the students will have hands-on training on the studies which are more towards understanding the biological aspects. And then as Dr. Ram said that machine learning, deep learning is also entered into biological sciences now. So that's why many of the students who take majors in computer science and data science are choosing biology as one of their minors, which has a lot of promise because the big data handling as we go ahead, it's completely coming from the biological sciences only. And then the other challenge of establishing the research culture in the university, we were lucky that within 2 years of our establishing the research Center for Research, we have been recognized by the Ministry of Science and Technology to conduct research and also seek funding from the government funding agencies. And we also got funding for a couple of projects from Ministry of Earth Sciences. And of late, we are preparing proposal to apply for the funding from Ministry of New and Renewable Energy Resources because Government of India has announced the Green Hydrogen Mission, and then we'll be part of that also, which actually also needs industry partners. So this way, I feel that the kind of impetus and then the support given by the university, we were able to reach up to many of the ministries as part of Government of India is concerned. And today I say that among the other private institutions, we are proud to have very good national mission research projects being sanctioned to Sai University. So, as part of a student's experience, I feel apart from reading, they also should have hands-on experience. This is where actually, once you have that kind of touch, you will never forget many things. That's why I thought that I'll tell my students also that biology should add life to the careers of the students, and then that's where actually is our mission at Sai University to go ahead in our endeavors of establishing one of the best universities. Thank you.